Julite Machinery has been devoting to manufacture higher quality products. We aim to provide better solution for green cleaning and grading in last 14 years. Steel materials are being loaded and placed with very precise measurements on each point. Powerful and high-speed robots with long, extended articulated arm offers superior performance in arc welding. Different from human workers who require breaks and time off, a robot can operate for 24-hour shift. Sustained working and quicker speed will help robotic welding machine to complete their project much faster than human workers. The welding robots represent the highest productivity and optimal welding quality in lowest operating cost and simplest operator control. With outstanding pass accuracy, there is no need for complicated reworking, which ensures that everything is welded where required. The excellent repeatability of the stable robot arms ensures the accurate positioning at the start of the weld seam without overshoot. Julite engineers are trying their best to design high-cost performance, high-efficiency green cleaning machine. We are focused on searching and improving better methods on every process of manufacture. Julite Machinery stands for #1 green cleaning machine. No defect is allowed even on steel structure manufacture. Every weld seam will be checked in details to ensure perfect